Welcome to Schneider Classics. There's the Mexican, and we're playing with this thing. So, I'm making a quick little video. My cameras aren't here, otherwise I would have filmed more stuff and not on my phone and stuff. But my cameras aren't here, they're over at Zombie Body Shop because filming some stuff for the SEMA build. So this thing is sold to that man. I just want to make a quick video so people aren't like, what happened to the green grasshopper? Or whatever else. Or what, I forget what people were they call it. But transmission's rebuilt finally. Only been like sitting in diesel for 2 months. Engine runs, transmission works, steering, this thing needs little bits and pieces and everything else, but it's not his responsibility. But to show you nice people what's going on, the chain just broke. It was driving, but so it needs little bits and pieces here and there. Steering put back together and moved constantly, really worked with. Brake works actually really well, surprisingly. So this has now found a new home. So you might see this in the future because it's owned by the Mexican, so he might decide if we see it in the future or not. Hi, Zoe. Who knows? Maybe he'll videotape what he does to it. Probably not, but
I'll suck at videotaping that.
So what are your thoughts on your purchase?
I have plans. I have plans.
You know what you're watching, it says right there. But yeah, there's stuff here. It'll get further built and everything. I'll make sure to get more photos of it for sure. You might not see video of it anymore, but check out Instagram. You'll see stuff on this. Thank you guys for watching this quick little update. So, I want to keep you guys in the loop so you know stuff is missing, but for a reason, because it's sold. Because I need money. But it's part of owning classics. But to end off on a good note,